In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paint vertex colors in Blender. Vertex painting lets you add color directly to your mesh without using image textures, which is great for quick look development, stylized shading, or driving effects in your materials. Let's walk through the full process from painting to using those colors in a shader. First, select the object you want to paint. Up in the top left corner of the 3D viewport, open the mode drop-down and switch from Object Mode to Vertex Paint. You'll notice the interface changes to show painting tools and a color swatch. If you don't see your object's colors change as you paint, make sure the object is selected and you're in the right mode. Next, pick a color from the Vertex Paint toolbar. Use the color picker or sliders to choose exactly what you want. When you're ready, left-click and drag directly on the surface of the mesh to apply color. Because vertex color data is stored per vertex, the result depends on how dense your mesh is. On low-poly models, you'll see chunkier or blockier color transitions, while meshes with more vertices allow smoother gradients. That's totally normal and part of how vertex colors work. To refine how your strokes behave, adjust the brush settings in the toolbar on the left. Radius controls the size of your brush, strength determines how quickly color builds up, and blend mode changes how your new color mixes with what's already there. Mix is the standard painting behavior, while add and subtract can help you build or remove intensity in a more controlled way. Start with a lower strength if you want subtle layering and increase it for faster coverage. If your painted areas feel harsh or patchy, switch to the smooth brush to softly blend transitions. A few gentle passes can unify colors and remove visible edges, especially on meshes with moderate vertex density. To actually use these vertex colors in a material, open the shader editor. Add an attribute node or a vertex color node if you're using an older version of Blender. In the attribute node's name field, type the vertex color layer's name, which is usually col by default. Connect the node's color output into your shader, for example, into the base color of a principled BSDF. If the color doesn't appear, double-check the attribute name matches the layer exactly. Finally, if you want multiple color sets, go to Object Data Properties and open Color Attributes. Add new layers as needed, name them clearly, and reference the correct name in your shader. This makes it easy to switch or blend between different painted looks.